Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and as that lovely day of loveliness is nearly upon us, I thought that I would share some of my favorite DIYs that you can put together using items that you probably already have lurking around the house. And not only that, but they can seriously all be done very, very last minute. So you have absolutely no excuse to not have a wonderful, heartfelt, thoughtful gift for your Valentine or your Galentine or whatever time you may have, even if it's just yourself. So let's get making. So let's start with these two lovely little jars here. And these are very, very instant gifts that you can probably put together using items that you may already have around the house. So let's start actually with this one. And this here was actually, I think, an old icing container that I took the label off, of course, cleaned it all, and then wrapped it with just some red plastic that I had on hand. And if we open it up, what is this? Oh, isn't this clever? This is a bath puff, but it was just the top decoration, right? How cute is that? I just poked a hole and pulled the string through, and then this would actually be, let's call this Relax in a Jar. And we have just a bunch of adorable little relaxation items. And again, I just had all of these around my house, and they're just like little samples that I got, and they fit perfectly in this lovely little container. So there's one idea, super duper easy. And again, you can put it together using items you already have around the house. All right, let's see what's in this one. And this jar, I think, just had mayonnaise or pickles in it. And of course, it got a thorough cleaning. And this is just a scrap of fabric that I had laying around. And it is actually the bit of leftover I had from my recent vintage dress to top upsize. So I'll link that tutorial down below for you. And yeah, let's open this up. Ooh, silky, fancy. And what do we have in here? We have a lovely candle, and it is wonderful and smelly, plus some fabulous massage body lotion. And I think you can figure out where this is going now. And look at this beautiful, wow, nightie. I guess satin nightie, right? A bit of lovely lingerie, a candle, and some nice smelling massage body lotion. And yeah, I think this one should be called Romance in a Jar. What do you think? And again, you can make this for absolutely anyone. Just, you know, put in the stuff that they like, and it's super duper easy to make. And again, use stuff around your house that you already have, and then it's free, but it is still a gift that is from the heart. How absolutely adorable is my heartfelt jewelry set. And you can throw this together in literally less than an hour using things that you probably already have. So let's go see how I created this. To create your lovely new-to-you accessory set, all you need is some less than stellar jewelry. I chose this heart-shaped bracelet and ring, plus some awesome nail polish colors and a couple of toothpicks. To make it easier to paint my jewelry, I grabbed a jar and wrapped it with some scrap paper, then put my bracelet around it. And for the ring, I simply cut a slit in a toilet paper roll and put the ring inside. Then I simply painted them both with my funky nail polish colors, and I used the toothpicks to add some polka dot details. Once the nail polish was all dry, I gave it a coat of clear varnish, but if you don't have that, you can simply use a nail polish clear top coat and it'll get the job done just as well. If you or someone you know wears their heart on their sleeve like I do, you absolutely have to make them this hilarious heart on their sleeve pin, because you literally get to wear your heart on your sleeve. And it is very, very simple. It just uses scraps that you already have around the house. And yeah, let's go make it right now. To wear your heart on your sleeve, all you need is the free downloadable template that's available over on my blog, plus some red non-fraying fabric. I used an old felt red scarf, embroidery thread, and of course something to stuff it with. So first, simply chop out the size of heart you want from the template. There are 3 sizes available on it, and fold your fabric in half, then pin your template to the top layer of the fabric. Carefully chop it out and you'll have the front and back piece for your heart. Grab the piece with the template still pinned to it and stitch over the vein lines of the heart. I like to use a split stitch because I find that it lasts the longest and it's really, really easy to do. Now, if you're not sure about hand sewing or embroidery stitches or anything like that, I highly recommend checking out my rockin' Refashioning 101 e-course, and everything is in there that you could possibly want to know about upcycling and refashioning, including how to sell and make money from your awesome creations or simply the items you don't want anymore. And you know what? As a lovely gift to you, why not give yourself the Refashioning 101 e-course for 50% off using the code REFASHION50. Carefully tear off the paper template and the front of your fabulous heart is done. Pop the front and the back together and stitch it and stuff it. Stitch a brooch back or a simple safety pin to the back of your heart and go ahead and wear it on your sleeve. I hope you enjoyed my quirky little last-minute upcycle DIY gift ideas. And if you need even more ideas for how to refashion and upstyle things you already have around the house into wonderful gifts, check out my Nifty Thrifty DIY Gifts e-course. Link will be down below for you. And yeah, let me know what you're planning on doing for this Valentine's or Galentine's or however the heck you may or may not be celebrating. I might actually be going to see a film. I'm not sure. But, yeah, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Mwah!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.